Hi, good morning, Asra. How are you? Asal is also not well, right? He was not there for yesterday's class in G1 science class. Good morning, Shifna. Shifna, are you there? Good morning. Asra, yesterday we completed the revision of Unit 4 in G1. So the notes are already uploaded in the classroom. Make Asil revise that, okay? Children have forgot everything. They don't even know the chapter. Am I clear, children? Okay. So I think Asra may not have prepared the craft today, right? She was not well yesterday. God, what will I do then? You sing any song, Shihna? Not a prepared one or like any your favorite song, any song. So you will be free tomorrow, right? So you'll be free tomorrow. Tomorrow assembly, you will be free. Tomorrow is our last assembly, okay? After that, what is that? Is it from here? Already work is going on here. Mm. Okay. Sing any song you like. Asra is stuck. Is Asra stuck? Asra is sitting like in a space, we can see only your black shawl, not your hands. Yeah, yeah. Now I can see your hands. You sang a very nice song one day. And the first day, I think. A Hindi song. Which one? Not interested. Hindi songs, you know many Hindi songs, right? Yes, do anything today. Today and tomorrow only we are having assemblies. We don't even know next year whether we will get assemblies. Yeah, how is fasting and all going? You think in between, okay? Let me ask Asra. You think in between a song. How is fasting and all? Did you all take dress and all for Eid? Why? Not, yeah, you got time, right? What happened, Shikha? Did you fell? So, which song? Mm. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, very nice. Who who teach you this song? Your mom sings, right? Okay. Yeah, then what else? 5 more minutes we have got. You can share anything, whatever you like. These are the last 2 days of assemblies. You can tell anything, you can share anything. Because I'm not sure whether we will be getting this chance next in a during next academic year. I'm not very sure about that. Why? Because maybe I'll be having the charge of MYP itself. Next year you will be to the next grade, right? Mostly. I'll ask anyway. I'll ask for one time as you people promise that you will score more than 40 in this exam and all. So I'll ask to the admin and if possible I'll come. Let me check your marks. No reply for that. Okay. You people have learned everything, right? Why no response? What about physics? Biology, I think you at least know something. What about physics? Physics, I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Yeah, yeah, that's good. So I hope you'll be scoring good marks in science. And Max, English, Hindi, Arabic. Arabic and all are very simple, I think. Question paper is very simple. Yeah, that happens. Have you learned Hindi before or is this your first time? That's to learn Hindi, it's better to see Hindi movies. You will learn so quickly. And you people are in Dubai, right? Most of the people there talk in Hindi. So it's easy, right, to learn. Yeah. Pakistanis and North Indians also. They talk in Hindi, right? So learn from that. Yeah, learn from that. Hindi is always useful and it's very easy to learn. I'm telling. Yeah, Asra, I want your help, okay? I want you to go to Asra. Are you not listening here? Looking at somewhere and sitting. Yeah, I want you to make Asil learn that chapter, Unit 4. I have even added the questions in the classroom, I guess. Model questions. Make him learn that, okay? Yeah, Brahmi ma'am already joined. So, okay, children, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye.